kind of getting cleaned up over here. Took the car out for a test drive. Runs pretty good. We got a couple codes we're gonna check out right now. We're gonna solder in some wiring and get this interior put back together. So everything is coming along good. Slight exhaust leak. We're gonna drop that down. I think I'm just gonna weld it all up together because you know, drop it down in one piece. It's the stock exhaust. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. I know one's gonna be the secondary air pump. Let's see what the other one is. O2 heater circuit. Uh-oh. They were good before I messed with them. Serial communication link, P0600. I have to look that one up. I don't know what that means. So, yeah. 2 codes. Maybe you guys can comment for me. Let me know what that P0600 is. And the P0161, which oxygen sensor I'm looking for. I don't know what side bank 2 is. So yeah, leave a comment, let me know. All right, so guys, we converted it to an automatic to a 5-speed. As you know, there's a neutral and park safety switch. So what we did was we introduced on the clutch a brake switch, an additional brake switch. So in order to start this car, the clutch has to be in, like most modern cars, and I believe it should also make the cruise control functional. But what we did was we just jumped it for now to get it started. So this is pin number 5 and pin number 7. We're just going to clip these wires, and then we're going to splice in our brake switch to those wires, and then we'll tuck this in nice and put all the trim back in. In addition to, we also have to run the reverse light switch, which I still have to figure out which pin numbers those are. Not a big deal. We're gonna go ahead, get these wired up, make them nice and neat, get some shrink on them, and yeah, start getting this interior put back together. All right, the wiring for the clutch switch is all soldered up. We got some heat shrink on it. Let's try them out. That's with the clutch in. No clutch, no start, clutch, start. Perfect. Okay, let's go into the reverse lights. All right, guys, so did a little research. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I go on these forums and they are straight trash. I've been using forums since 98, 99. They've been helpful. I go to find out which wires are the reverse for this harness on the E36. There's guys saying to swap over to OBD2, to remove the intake manifold. I mean, just off the wall. But shout out to Menace on YouTube. Guys, check him out. He's been a lifesaver with this swap. So we have pin number 2 and 3 on the same wiring harness as we snipped our guys for our clutch switch. So I got the car in reverse, electric is on, and we'll go out back. Let's see if this works. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna snip those 2 wires and do the same thing, solder them up, heat shrink them, and we can start getting this interior back together. Okay, we got the interior put back together for the most part. We still got to throw the seats in, but everything's functional, everything works. Had a little issue with the brake lights. We got that addressed. And so now we got the front of the car jacked up. And we're gonna throw the sway bar on, the front sway bar. We got a fresh coat of paint on it. It's kind of hard to see now, but a little metallic. So yeah, let's throw this sway bar on. We'll get the bumper on and we'll take it for a spin. this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really happy with the car. Looks like we're gonna eventually have to rebuild the differential. That should be no big deal. But yeah, we got plenty more in store for it. It's running great, feels strong. Got to do the vanos, the diff, clean it up. But yeah, she's running, and I don't have any complaints. Very pleased with it. The 5-speed made this car wake up 100%. And yeah, more to come, guys. Remember, please like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see anything else done to this vehicle, if you guys have any tips for me. Like I said before, first time BMW owner, this is all brand new stuff. But anyway, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys soon.